I've been using this paper shredder for many years to shred cardboard and paper for my worm bins, but I have never added oil to it. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and start adding oil to keep it maintained. And what I have done is invested in some Fellows paper shredder oil. This is recommended and used for only paper shredders. Don't take shortcuts. Use oil that is recommended for a paper shredder. And the method I was told to do was to either apply it directly into this, but I don't like that method. So I'm going to use the zigzag method, the S-shaped method for this paper. Apply a little bit like this in the S formation. Turn your shredder on. Place into your shredder. Run it in reverse for a few minutes. Run it forward again. This is to lube the shredder. They say you want to lube your shredder every time you empty your container right here, or at least once or twice a month. But I'm going to dispose of this shredded paper, and then I got my paper shredder running back how it should be. So that's it for now. Here's another video to watch. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. You have a great day. Bye.